Hey there mga my love Sagittarius! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So bago natin simulan ng reading nito, reminder sa hindi po everyone ay makaka-resonate, kaya naman piliin mo lamang yung mga mensahe na sa tingin mo ay for you. At kung feel mo na reading na tayo para sa'yo, then this reading might be ready for you. And syempre wala tayong gender here, babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, you're all welcome here mga babes. Just take how this resonates and please apply this into your own unique situation. Timeless to at genderless tayo mga babes. Okay, so tinan na natin ano pang video waitings natin, no? Alamin na ang mga mensahe for September 2023. So let's see. Messages for my Sagittarius for the month of September 2023. So it's an angel guides, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Can you please show me messages for Sagittarius for September 2023? September 2023, please. Things they need to know, what the Sagittarius needs to know for the month of September 2023. Maugat lang yung kamay ko mga babes, pero hindi po ako nag-gym. Namin na ako nag-gym. Po ako nag-gym mga babes. Maugat lang talaga yung mga kamay ko. So, we have here the chopped wood. So, it looks like you're cleansing or you are about to cleanse something here mga babes. No? Na ikaw lang talaga no, ang gagawa. Ikaw ang mismong mag-i-initiate no, na maglinis dito ng sarili mong world. Yun na nakikita ko dito. So, nakikita ko dito na mukhang nakalampas ka na sa gitna. No? At nakikita ko na parang general cleaning ka ng life mo. So, pwedeng may binubura ka, inaalis, tinatanggal sa life mo. Yung iba, pwedeng mga tao yan, no? Nagpapastress sa'yo ng mga tao, mga negative energies, you're cutting them out. Pwedeng naglilinis ka ng mga FB friends mo or yung mga followers mo sa social media, no? Na parang pag hindi mo kilala or mga hindi mo naman sila know sa yung Facebook, no? Ina-unfriend mo or tinatanggal mo, ina-unfollow or what, or this is you generally cleaning here your life. Okay? At parang ikaw to na pwedeng sinisimulan mo na yan ngayon, pinagpapatuloy mo on the month of September, no? Hanggang sa tuluyan ka ng matapos sa pag-general reading right here. And star is really standing out, so maaaring mga babes, no, ginagawa mo ito kasi gusto mo rito ng parang may ma-attract ka, no, na parang something wish fulfillment or very fulfilling para sa'yo. Yun na nakikita ko rito. So, nakikita ko rito, no, na halos patapos ka na dito sa general cleaning ng life mo. Lampas gitna at lampas kalahati ka na. Tuloy-tuloy lang, no, kasi maaaring mga babes, no, meron ditong nakikita kang pag-asa, no. This is a door here. And it looks like there is a new door na may new hope kang nakikita. So, pwedeng may new life kang binubuo para sa sarili mo, kung saan nangangarap ka ulit. And you're starting to clean your life now. Yung iba, pwedeng hindi naman tao yung tinatanggal nyo sa buhay ninyo, pero yung mga stress, mga nagpapastress ng mga bagay sa inyo, yung mga habits ninyo na hindi naman healthy, unti-unti ninyong nire-remove sa inyong life. Yan, I can see you removing here the negativities. No? Yung iba, pwedeng addictions, binabawasan na hanggang sa tuluyan na itong mawala. No? Yeah, so it could be anything. Could be addict sa kape. Bawas yung tama lang, no? Yeah, coming from me. Okay, so, example yun, no? Kayo yung pinag-usapan dito, hindi ako. So, yun yung mga pills, no? Aside from that, pwedeng yung cigarette smoking, no? Pwedeng ikaw kasi is chain smoker ka, no? Pero, ikaw to na gusto mo ng healthy lifestyle, I can see you here, no? Binabawasan mo na, nagiging disiplinado ka na about that because you're moving to a more healthier you. A more na healthier ka. A healthier you or a healthy lifestyle. Yan, no? At least you could be general cleaning right here or you're cleaning your house, yung literal na bahay ninyo, or baka may pinapagawa kayo, no, fixtures, whatever, no, sa house ninyo, or baka nagpaparenovate yan sa September. So, we have here the observer, yeah, 49 is right here, and looks like meron kayo ritong ino-obserbahan, no, with the moon right here, maaaring ito yung mga minamanifest mo, dinidesire mo, wini-wish mo, no? Parang ito kayo na parang ino-observe mo rito, no? Ano ba yung mga gusto kong ilagay dito sa mundo ko? Sa bagong mundo kini-create ko. Ito yung mga minamanifest ko yan, no? Pwede ikaw to na ini-spot mo rin yung mga parang natutuwa kapag nakakita ka ng signs and clues nyo. Kunwari, ganito, uy, nakita naman ako ng butterfly. Isa yun sa powerful sign na nagbabago yung life mo. So, ibig sabihin, you are happy while you are observing, while you are cleaning right here. Parang ang ginagawa mo kasi, observing the moon, it's like this is you, you're using your intuition. Kahit hindi mo pa nakikita yung mga minamanifest mo, kahit konti pa lang yung clues na i-spot mo, nararamdaman mo na magkakaroon na rito ng katuparan ng lahat ng mga ginagawa mo dito sa kinikreate mong panibagong mundo. Di ba sabi ko sa inyo, star is standing out kanina, no, bago pa natin binuksan tong observer. So, you have here the star and you also have the moon. So, ibig sabihin, naka-align ka rito mga mahal. ba diba? Sa intention mo at nakikita mo ito. Unti-unti ito mag-unfold, no? Alam mo yung, kagaya ng pagpapalit, no? Pag-aagaw ng gabi at araw, no? Ganun yung nangyayari rito. Napakaganda, napaka-momentous, no? Nung feeling para sa'yo. Nakikita kita dito mga babes, no, na magiging masaya ka at mas marami ka pang may ispatan na signs and clues, no, as on September 2023. And yeah, we have here the flexible. So, I can see right here na meron ka rito talagang ini-end sa buhay mo, no? At dahil dyan, nakikita kita dito na mas ini-engage mo yung sarili mo, no, into improving you, improving the better version of you. Pwedeng ikaw to, no, na nag-engage ka ngayon into dancing, baka nag-gym ka, or baka ikaw to, no, na lumalabas kayo sa comfort zone ngayon, connecting with other people, no, not literally being open to them, no, but you're connecting with other people, you're meeting other people, pwedeng through partnership, in business, through new friendships right here. So, this is you, no? Lumalabas ka sa comfort zone mo. Pwede ikaw nito, nagtatry ka ng new activities dito, no? Nakikita ko dito na mas nagiging acceptance ka. Nagiging acceptance. Mas ina-accept mo rito yung changes, yan, no? Kasi you're cleaning here your life. So, I can see, no, na sumasabay ka rito sa mga changes na nagdadala. Alam mo, napansin ko, lahat to may banderita. So, ibig sabihin, you're moving towards a celebration. Meron ako nakikita dito, meron ka ditong gustong i-celebrate, no? It's a call for celebration. I can see that you are achieving something here. Nakikita ko dito. At nakikita kong tuloy-tuloy ang success at tagumpay kasi lahat ng banderitas ay nandito. Tuloy-tuloy ng mga babes, no, na ilabas mo rito at ipakita mo yung tunay ni ikaw in a more positive way. So, nakikita ka dito na mas nagiging bukas ka sa mga oportunidad sa paligid mo, which is tama yun. Kasi the universe wants you na matangay ka nila dun sa talagang path na talagang deserve mo. Diba? Yung bagay na to na binubuo mo for yourself. Hindi lang naman isang pinto yan, tas makakarating ka na dun makakarating ka sa iba't ibang pintuan, no? Pero iisa lang ang patutunguhan yan. Basta kumanik ka lang dito kay universe, kumanik ka lang sa intuition mo, listen to the messages of your spirits and angel guides because of the signs and clues you're seeing, the butterflies, the angel numbers, and everything. Yun. Just huwag kayong mawawala sa alignment. And we have here the fork in the road. Ito sabi ko sa inyo, maraming doors of opportunities dito. Marami kayong pagdadaanan, pero isa lang din ang tutumbukin yan. Ang mundong ninanais mo para sa sarili mo. Ang mundong deserve mo. At tingnan mo. See? Bullseye. Lahat yan may banderita. So, ibig sabihin, meron talaga ritong winning moment for you. May ma-achieve ka talaga dito. Sagittarius. And yeah, we have here the co-create. Nagmamanifest ka talaga dito. Your manifest. Tignan mo, banderitas na naman, no? See? Dug. Spot on. Nahagip mo lahat. So, nakikita ko that you will have the life, no, na parang feeling wagi ka kasi nagawa mo rito, no, na makatawid dun sa mundong gusto mo. This is a golden egg here. So, I can see that you will be having here a new life with which gives you a lot of abundance, prosperity here. I can see you here working with the universe, whatever life it is. You know what? This is the symbol of happiness, this cheetah right here. So I can see that whoever energies are resonating here with me, I can see that you will achieve a lot of happiness. Okay? A lot of achievement, a lot of success. That kung meron ka man ritong magiging kompetensya, nakikita kitang aangat. Okay? And I can see for others of you, you could be manifesting here love. Someone who has that love for a family. Pero parang hindi lang family. Parang marami siyang love. Hindi love na marami siyang, na player siya. Parang itong nagugustuhan ninyo, lumalabas kasi siya bilang owl dito. Isa siyang family-oriented at napaka-approachable niya. At pwedeng marami siya ritong tinutulungan or marami siya ritong pinapakitaan, no, ng pagiging concern niya. It's like this person has this big heart. It's like the Queen of Cups energy. You're manifesting that person with that golden heart. And with that golden egg na malapit sa kanya, looks like isa siyang matagumpay na tao. Okay? Maaring tinitingala at pwedeng merong kasaganahan sa buhay. Ooh! Okay, let's see more. O, diba? I can see you here embarking in your new life. Sagittarius, the Fool card is right here. So, continue walking to this path where the universe is guiding you, mga babes. Okay? Because it will take you there. Okay? Marami mang pintuan rito, pero tuloy-tuloy lang. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Marami ka ng pinagdaanan. Kaya oras naman para lumigaya ka. I can see you here working with other people. Baka lilipat ka ng trabaho or baka may promotion rito, no? Pero may nakikita ko rito ang pagbabago sa trabaho, kaperahan, or business mo. I can see you here that you could be speaking in front of other people. You could be someone here na tinitingala or someone who has this respectful reputation. But I can see that whoever energies are here with me, there's a promotion, there's a recognition. I can see some kind of a credit of your hard work. Parang magpe-pay off dito. Ano man yung pinaghihirapan mo when it comes to finances. Yeah. Marami na rin tao nagsusubok rito at may susubok na naman dito, no? Nahilahin ka pababa. Okay, okay, mag-alala kasi hindi ko naman nakikita ang sisiraan niya kayo. Pero dahil inggit siya, no? Pwedeng, alam mo yun, no? May kuhain siya ritong informasyon at akuin niya yon, sabihin niya sa kanya nang galing yun. Pero yung totoo, ikaw naman talaga nakaisip nun. Okay? So, yeah. So, I can see, that you want this emotional, something fulfilling sa sarili mo. Okay? At yun yung minamanifest mo rito. Okay? Maybe it is your family's happiness, or this is who you want to have this happily ever after. Yan. Naniniwala ko sa happily ever after. Other readers are telling, hey, magising kayo sa realidad, or whatever, hey, na hindi totoo ang happily ever after. Happily ever after is always real. Regardless when you're a child, okay? Sa nakikita ko, when you're a child, diba, tuwan-tuwa ka. Kasi, pinikwentuhan ka ng mama mo bago ka matulog, diba, ng mga Disney princesses, ganyan. Happily ever after, lagi yung dulo nun. And they live happily ever after. Diba? Natutulog ka nakangiti sa labi mo, no? And then, yes, story yun. Pero kung yun yung paniniwalaan mo sa buhay mo na deserve mong happily ever after, ba't mo pagdadamot sa sarili mo? Diba? It's true. Happily ever after is true at nabubuhay yan sa puso ng bawat tao. Okay? Other people cannot tell you it's not true. Walang happily ever after. Yan ay nasa kwento lang. Yeah, it's nasa kwento, but look within your heart. What is your heart's desiring? It's that happily ever after. Is it possible for you to have that? No. You can have that as long as you believe that you can have that. As long as you manifest that you can have that, it will happen in you. It's true. Okay? Happily ever after is true. As long as you believe. Okay? Others of you, nakikita ko rito na meron kayo ritong document na inaasikaso na sa wakas gumagalaw na mga babes, no? Tsaka meron na ritong tatawag sa inyo, no? Galing dun sa ahensya na yun or kung saan mga organisasyon yun, no? May progress na, may pag-improve, no? Or baka pipick upin nyo na yan, papeles na yan. May kontrata rito, may communication dito. It's good news. Ibig sabihin, umaandar kung kaso man yan or papeles, inaasikaso ninyo, malapit na matapos yan or meron ng progreso. Kikita ko dito. Minsan na kayong nasaktan sa love, pero nakikita ko pa rin kayo rito na naniniwala pa rin kayo, no, in your heart, na meron pa rin talagang tao, no, na kakaiba sa mga yan, and you're manifesting that type of person. At baka yun na nga yung nakikita yung owl dun. Okay. Nakikita ko rin dito na makaka-receive kayo ng confession from someone younger than you. This is the confession of feelings and emotions, but your sword is up. Okay, maybe this is someone you already know. Others of you, this is someone new, pero you're using your intuition on this one. So I think mararamdaman mo, no, na baka siya ay isang flirtatious or playful individual na gusto lang ng casual fling or laro. So ganun yung nakikita ko dito. Okay? So nakikita ko na kasi mas wiser ka na ngayon, tsaka galing ka kasi, no, minsan sa pagkabigo sa pag-ibig. So nakikita ko yun dito. So whatever the case may be, I can see you manifesting here the life that you want, and you will have that. You want that happily ever after, you can have that. Okay? As long as you believe. Okay? Kasi kung hindi ka maniniwala sa happily ever after, parang sinabi mo na rin na yung wini-wish mo at minamanifest mo hindi totoo, hindi mo deserve, hindi mo makukuha, imposible. 'Di ba? Now try to read it. No? Ulitin mo sa sarili mo 'yon, i-repeat mo 'yon, 'di ba? Ibig sabihin yung minamanifest mo, yung taong gusto mo, yung taong mahal mo, hindi makukuha. Yung trabahong gusto mo, hindi mo makukuha, imposible, eh yun yung happily ever after mo. Diba? If you think that you can't have it, if you doubt that you can't have it, then hindi yun mangyayari. Kasi nagkakaroon ka na agad ng boundary sa sarili mo, distancing yourself to your happily ever after. Happily ever after is considered what you want, what you desire, your wish. So you're telling that happily ever after is not true? It's true as long as you believe and take a move towards your dreams. Your dream is your happily ever after here. Diba? I can see someone here. This is the life that you're building, mahal. Okay? Ten of Coins energy, this is stability, this is your pangarap with your family. Pwede yung iba bibili ng bahay, home, property. Dito, I can see you that your money is growing. Mapapalibutan ka rito ng abundance in terms of financial. And someone here, okay, is pagsisisihan yon. Hindi ko alam kung sino to, pero nakakapagod na titigan lang, no? Ikaw. Alam mo yung wala siyang ginagawa, pero yung titigan niya kung gaano magiging maganda at ka-bless ang buhay mo, mahal. Sobrang nakakapagod at nakakapanghinayang sa tao mo. At kung sino siya, maaaring tininador ka nito or ginawan ka ng hindi maganda noon. Yeah. Boy Tabingi headband is here. Or Neneng Tabingi headband is here. Someone will regret seeing you at nakakapagod na titigan daw, okay, kung gaano magiging successful ang buhay mo. So, ibig sabihin, may halong pagsisisi mula sa energy ng taong ito. So, thank you so much, Sagittarius. Ito ang nakuha nating messages for you guys. Sarang yung love and life. Annyeong.